Classification of mint. Peppermint. Peppermint is a hybrid species of mint, a cross between watermint and spearmint. Indigenous to Europe and the Middle East, the plant is now widely spread and cultivated in many regions of the world. Fresh or dried peppermint leaves are often used alone in peppermint tea or with other herbs in herbal teas, tisanes, infusions. Peppermint is used for flavoring ice cream, candy, fruit preserves, alcoholic beverages, chewing gum. Pennyroyal. Pennyroyal is a traditional folk remedy, a minagogue, abortifacient, and culinary herb, but is toxic to the liver and has caused some deaths. Pennyroyal has historically also been used as a mint flavoring in herbal teas and foods. Pennyroyal tea has been used for cold relief, fevers, coughs, indigestion, liver and kidney problems, and headaches. It is recommended that people only drink pennyroyal tea periodically, as it is taxing on the body and should not be drunk on a regular basis. Consumption of pennyroyal tea can be fatal to infants and children. In Italy, the fresh leaves of this plant, which in Rome and the surrounding area is called Minta Romana, are used in the capital's cuisine to flavor lamb and tripe. 28. In culinary use, it should not be confused with lesser calamint, Clinopodium nepida, which in Rome is used to prepare artichokes. Spearmint. Spearmint, Mentha spicata, also known as garden mint, common mint, lamb mint, and mackerel mint, is native to Europe and southern temperate Asia, extending from Ireland in the west to southern China in the east. It is naturalized in many other temperate parts of the world, including northern and southern Africa, North America, and South America. It is used as a flavoring in food and herbal teas. The aromatic oil, called oil of spearmint, is also used as a flavoring. Spearmint leaves are infused in water to make spearmint tea. Spearmint is an ingredient of Maghrebi mint tea. Grown in the mountainous regions of Morocco, this variety of mint possesses a clear, pungent, but mild aroma. Spearmint is an ingredient in several cocktails, such as the mojito and mint julep. Sweet tea, iced and flavored with spearmint, is a summer tradition in the southern United States. Water mint. The stems are square in cross-section, green or purple, invariably hairy to almost hairless. The rhizomes are wide-spreading, fleshy, and bear fibrous roots. The leaves are ovate to ovate lanceolate, green, sometimes purplish, opposite, toothed, and vary from hairy to nearly hairless. The flowers of the water mint are tiny, densely crowded, purple, tubular, pinkish to lilac in color, and form a terminal hemispherical inflorescence. Flowering is from mid to late summer. All parts of the plant have a distinctly minty smell. Unbranched, hairless plants, with narrower leaves and paler flowers, native to areas of Sweden and Finland near the Baltic Sea, have been called Mentha aquatica var. It can be used as an edible herb, like spearmint or peppermint, banned to make a herbal tea. Chocolate mint plant. As its name suggests, chocolate mint is a variety of mint that has nuances of chocolate in both fragrance and flavor. Subtle notes of cocoa and vanilla mix with a traditional spicy mint finish. Mentha canadensis. Mentha canadensis is a species of mint native to North America, from the Northwest Territories to central Mexico, and the eastern part of Asia, from Siberia to Java. In North America, it is commonly known as Canada mint, American wild mint, and in Asia as Chinese mint, Sakhalin mint, Japanese mint, and East Asian wild mint. The flowers are bluish, or have a slight violet tint. Leaves grow opposite from each other, and flower bunches appear in the upper leaf axils. The mint grows in wet areas but not directly in water, so it will be found near sloughs and lake and river edges. They are used in making mint jelly, mint tea, and mint leaf candy. First Nations people use mint tea for bad breath or toothache, or to cure hiccups. Mentha cervina. Mentha cervina, commonly known as Hart's pennyroyal, is a perennial herbaceous plant of the Mentha, mint, genus. It is native to the western Mediterranean Sea region, growing naturally from southwestern France to the Iberian Peninsula and south to Azores, Morocco, and Algeria. Its common name reflects a traditional association with the separate species Mentha pulegium or pennyroyal. The plants were associated due to their shared high pulegone content, which gives them both a distinctive, strong aroma. In Portugal, it has been used whole, fresh or dry, as an addition to stews, salads, soups, cheeses, and sauces. Various recipes for liqueur infusions are also recorded. Within the Alentejo region, it is used both medicinally and as a seasoning for traditional fish dishes. Mentha requinii. Mentha requinii, or Corsican mint, is an herb and species of mint, native to Corsica, Sardinia, and Monte Cristo Island, and naturalized in Portugal and in the British Isles. It is a very low-growing species with bright green leaves and a strong minty aroma. This plant is also used in cuisine, most famously as the flavoring in crème de menthe. It is sometimes said to have a scent similar to pennyroyal. Mentha rotundifolia. It is native to southern and western Europe, including the Mediterranean region. It is a herbaceous, upright perennial plant that is most commonly grown as a culinary herb or for ground cover. Apple scent, savory and sweet dishes, salads, fruit drinks, mint sauce, peas, carrots, tea, iced tea, fruit juice. Mentha haplocalyx. Mentha haplocalyx brick, MHB, as an herbaceous plant, has functions such as clearing heat and detoxifying, being antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, enhancing appetite, and aiding digestion. It is a common ingredient in Chinese herbal medicine.